Hello, this is my homework, linking sounds. There are three parts in my homework. Part 1, consonant and vowel. Name is, speak English. Write it. Read only. It is. Coming. Five-sick. If only. Walker. Part 2.1. Go away. Who is? Show warnings. You are. Do why. Too often. To warp. You and me. To war. Yellow one. To part 2. I am. I also. She is. We are. Me only. Kian. Three year. Player. Part 3. 3.1. Two same consonant. Pronoun 1. Full lips. Bigger. Black cat. Sad. And finally, didn't chill. Can't you do it? Don't you like it? I'll let you know. Actually, natural. Yes, you are. Bless you. Can't you dress yourself? I can't get your raise. I can't get your raise. Insurance. Did you see it? What did your mom think? Do you find your money? Education. Individual. Graduation. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you again.